Lot 122 is a 2000 Ford Crown Victoria with 148,000 miles. Has been sitting here in the parking lot for over 1 year. The paint is faded, the headlights are dull, and there's rust on the surface, rust on the hood, on the roof, on the fenders, everywhere there's surface rust. But I'm going to start it up for you so you can hear the engine. We hit it with starting fluid. Has a bad fuel pump, but the motor sounds good. It's okay, the motor sounds good. We had it running here with the starting fluid. Remember, bad fuel pump. We started it with brake cleaner, and it sounded really nice and smooth. It's got 148,000 miles. Let me show you the rust, the surface rust. The paint is really bad. Clear is peeling. It's got a flat tire in the rear. You're gonna have to tow this car out of here, definitely. It's a police interceptor with an LX interior. I'll show you the interior. It is a P71. It's got the beige tan interior, which is dirty, but it looks good. I don't see no rips or tears. The steering wheel has a cover. AM, FM, cassette player. The door panel's missing the ignition switch. The back seat is matching the front seat. Alrighty, that's pretty much it.